guy in that bush, yo, he's not even calling it. Yo, I'm hitting your shirt. Hit!
It's about that operation left side flank already.
Yo, that guy in that blue is mad suspect though. Oh shit! Hit! Fuck! I'm gonna get that guy in that blue, man. Wait for the recycle. Your left, your left, your left. Oh! Watch the guy in the blue right there. Watch the guy in the blue on the left behind that building right there.
Three right.
Got him. Okay, move up. Let's move up, yo.
That thing was pulled up.
Put it way back there in Iraq.
Did I get him? Fine, dude. He's scared. 12 o'clock right in front of us, bro. 12 o'clock.
They're moving up. They're moving up. One guy on the left over there, yeah?
Yeah, I got him left. Sticking his gun out. Right through that hole, man. What time I
hit? Fuck, hit the phone.
Fuck, shot you.
They got the blue guy right there on the thing. Yo, is respawn done? Guy Guy running left. He's behind that tower now. Still running back. Hey, fuck! Fuck. Got it up.